Western Ghats, ranging from north of Mumbai to the tip of Tamil Nadu, known to be the biggest biodiversity hotspot, covering full of mountain rivers and forests. India's 1,600 km long mountain range covers area of 1,60,000 meters square, home for many unique endangered and endemic species. It is one of the wettest place which receives whooping 4,000 millimeter annual rainfall with localized extremes touching 9,000 millimeter. Karnataka, known as one state, many world, with densely covered Western Ghats mountain which range over 6 districts called Malenadu, which is home for numerous endemic species. There are 118 endemic species, including 13 genera, entirely restricted to Western Ghats. There are at least 508 bird species. Most of Karnataka's 500 species of birds are from the Western Ghat region. But these ecologically sensitive mountain ranges are under immense pressure because of exponential growth of human population, unscientific, non-suitable exploitation which altered rainy season pattern. In addition to that, the changing monsoon trends has a deviating effect on ecology. As a result, Karnataka and Kerala witnessed huge loss of biodiversity during 2018 to 2020. Kodagu, the tiny district of Karnataka alone witnessed 771 landslides. For the past 3 years, August month witnessed heavy rainfall. In those days, situation was like skies came crushing down the dark of night, leaving tsunami of mud. Hills that stood for centuries were found at doors. The water started flooding in all 4 directions, creating its own path, overcoming all obstacles on its way. Age-old deforestation, mining, overexploiting sensitive areas, unscientific cultivation, on the other hand, global warming accompanied by gusty wind triggered standing mountains of centuries to move down the earth out of nowhere. Bed of green mountains covering all the soil beneath lost its place. As a result, forest cover vanished. Capacity of the roots to hold the soil also vanished. Water kept on collecting in the soil and reached above saturation limit. Under the influence of gravitation, mountains were displaced on the ground and covering debris everywhere. Once lost, then it's lost. What's next? Prevention or not? Conservation and reforestation is the only way. But how? Accounting all these, a report was released on 31st August 2011. Gadgil Commission proposed by Mahadav Dhananjay Gadgil, an ecologist and the founder of Center of Ecological Science from IISE, considered the whole Western Ghats as ecologically sensitive area, highlighting it by saying Western Ghats is a biological treasure that is endangered and it needs to be protected and regenerated. Indeed, celebrated for its enormous wealth of endemic species and natural beauty. Another report by Dr. Kasturi Rangan suggested to ban all non-sustainable environmental development, but these reports are not yet implemented. Mountains of diversity that needs to be protected is still unprotected. One method can be followed from Miyawaki forest technique. It was introduced by Akira Miyawaki, a Japanese botanist who planted native plant species in the same place so that the plant growth is 10 times faster and 30 times denser than the usual one. So, it is very important to conserve biodiversity-rich Western Ghats, which gives us an insurance policy for life. Therefore, save Western Ghats, save lives. Thank you.